Nkoroki Olomon Saa TV.
Supole ngolengurani le Paran TV rashore na katasare ntaratiato Paran TV engolong ya Alhamisi ondarikini narana udo elapa leto monobole la rilonga lusuniaro tikita moguni na isili naka jutimido Paran TV tonga undini na apasha olosholema akaunti enaro Kajiado Samburu tene bonako kaunti Laikipia na rayola jini manodo kulo monte ngoiro yolo ingange Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, tene bonage ngoito ye YouTube at Paran TV kakora ketu ni jole ngurani le Paran TV tadamwajo eno sholongena ole ngoti nikembere bari ne bona panita duko ya tiatu loshom tayolajo erishadena nikineneng indamunor ki magina panita duko ya loshom ore seu na lolanga mila mari to lasarna ke lole ngoti Maria Marina Bonabo aita yolo kulo monto ngagutin Enteipa ni balilomon ninjere ore sujengiroro rais elelo shole Kenya dugo ya bunge kitoke loshom ne shomo dugo ibalenjere kegira uchumi ranyamalo loshore lulungata ni balenjere embana na bigira rede ni beyira do yori nage bei o masana pashati ya loshole Kenya esilige sinjere gesheti sokoroni olus ibongwan pere nage nedumu nage paraku lolubona pashati ya loshole Kenya makasili Nagembero pare Kenya.
Digitization and automation enhance service delivery and citizen satisfaction, and also assures greater accuracy, transparency and accountability, and reduces opportunity for corruption in the course of transacting with government ministries, departments and agencies. Corruption, honorable members, wastage, inefficiency and negligence are serious threats to our transformation agenda and unacceptable practice that has no place in our nation. I have given my firm assurance to the people of Kenya that cases of misconduct and corruption shall be dealt with ruthlessly, with finality and expeditiously. I ask this Honorable House to finalize the Assets Declaration and Conflict of Interest Bill to further tighten our anti-corruption policy framework and eliminate space for those who want to steal our money. We rolled out a countrywide farmer registration and fertilizer subsidy program that has made available 5.5 million bags to farmers across Kenya. We have progressively reduced the cost of fertilizer from 6,500 to 2,500, increased maize acreage under production by an extra 200,000 acres this year, and enhanced maize production by an additional 18 million bags this year. As a result of these interventions, today a 2-kilogram packet of maize flour is selling at a low of 145 and a high of 175, depending on the brand you buy.
Orais na kilole lo shole Kenya ol Daktari William Samoei Ruto. Ore nagete kulio moli kinjori tengiro shira kuna sainore sujola rabalolo sho le Haiti. Ni pangona ko ministro ida shege seriani ti atolo sho Professor Kithure Kindiki. Ejonjere kelo dugu ya inarubata ibonga tene borki mali United Nations. Iwange bilioni na rando moni na udo o border rishara ele lopisani lor polisi. Oiruari nage ilosho le Haiti. Lomon kulo ibalilo ministaira dogo ya komiti bunge na dua ya ramata re seriani na rikitor bunge lolontolo le county enaro kiolotia na Gabriel Ole Tongoyo. Inakatape ya baya dogo ya ina komiti tenebu inspector generali lor polisi tiatolosho le Kenya iolotia na Jafeth Kome.
The multinational support mission to Haiti, legal backing. The second condition, which is the mobilization of all the resources required to prepare, deploy, sustain, and eventually withdraw our police officers from Haiti. That exercise is going on, is being coordinated by our Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs. And just again, to emphasize, Kenya will not deploy if all the resources required are not assured, committed to, and available. Unless all resources are mobilized and availed, our troops will not leave the country. Not even one of them will leave Kenya. So that work is ongoing, including the mobilization of equipment. And once again, our troops, not even one of them, our forces, our officers, will not leave the soil of Kenya until the equipment that is required on the ground in Haiti is in place.
Yes, that is key. And we're working with, there's another team going back to Haiti regarding their loss, so that again the officers are taken through that. But when we are there, we shall all the time be working with the Haiti National Police officers. Mental issues. Actually, we're not just looking at mental wellness. Even we are studying Kiyaki, spiritual aspects. We are looking at that. Counseling services will be part of those who will go out there.
Inorinage tolomono ingwa county Narok ni bali lomoni njeri rabayo gendo mono ni nabodo ko aljaji kitole kotini county Narok. Ilote na Hezron Nyaberi sojuna gangarucho torono na rasa enanga gengera yenyengu motom etina county Narok ho ne shomonage dugoya esarula isuru temurwa etor mekenyu te kopkope county Narok ibale na giloja jigiro ginjere ginini lokesi darigni tikita mokuni ela pale tomonobo lelari longalu suniare o tikita mokuni.
They are not necessary to see here
Ola sirani lang lolomon Franklin olormaita ilo shomodugoya egranaka sujale lomon shomodugoya tina kotini county Narok orinage tegulio mone shomodugoya minister ina irashege rubate biuri shoti ya tulo shole Kenya Susana Komicha eboleri sharete para rubata KMTC orede nili na rubata biurishom olari longa lusunyero tikitam okuni olari longa lusunyero tikitam isiet ibalena minister injere ekibunga ina rubata UHC yile bunyegi nake nenarisha na rongwan na irashegi na rubata biurishom tiatua elosho le Kenya.
Today we come together to unveil the strategic plan for the Kenya Medical Training College for 2023-2028. We shall also be launching a historical book titled The Journey of Greatness, and equally launching the foreign language curriculum. Ladies and gentlemen, this launch would not have come at a better time than when the country has prioritized achievement of universal health coverage under our 4 main pillars. And I said every time I get an opportunity, I have to speak about them because Kenyans must know. Our 4 main pillars of universal health coverage. 1 is health financing. We must ensure that there are adequate funds to finance healthcare in this country. Our other pillar is health commodity security. We must ensure that commodities are available, including the assistive devices, like what Sarah spoke about. Our third is on digitization and primary healthcare. And finally, our 4th pillar, which is the main reason that I have come here today, is the pillar on human resource for health.
Minister na dua na keramatare biotisho tiatua olosho le Kenya yioloti anaa Susan Nakomicha. Nore na keteguliwa mono ing'ua county na ronore egira entemata alo dukuya onkilasini 4 te sukulini secondary tiatua olosho le Kenya. Nipang'or komishonai le county Narok Isaac Masinde ibale na kenjere tipika mbarikinoro reteni naaripieki ina temata tina county Narok telulung'ata. Ibalakinye lelo orripito na kina temata peyie meeta enkuretisho. Ibale njere keeta reteni letipat otipika ina temata naponita dukuya tosukulini naapasha tiatua olosho le Kenya.
Jaribu cross those rivers because we don't want to lose our life, especially during this time. Wala ambao wanakaa in areas ya mmomonyoko wa udongo, nataka kuambia ni vizuri wahame hizo areas waende to safer places. Kuna area kama Kachomo in Narok County, kuna area kama kuna area huko Mau in Narok South. Hiyo pia kuna kuanga na issue ya mmomonyoko wa udongo, wakae chonjo. Na hata pia wala ambao wanafanya kazi kwa mikoti, mining coal in North, wasiingie kwa mikoti wakati mvua inanyesha, kuhakikisha kwamba they are safe before waendelee na mining. So tree planting across the country, na Narok County being one of the counties, tutakuwa na siku ya kupanda miti mahali ambapo inaitwa Ensobukia, it is in Narok East. We are targeting to plant more than 300,000 trees hiyo siku, that day alone. But across the board for the short rains as a county, we are targeting to plant 4.3 million seedlings.
Commissioner ina kilole county Narok yioloti anaa Isaac Masinde egira naa kang'amaa enkitesheni ang' Paran TV tina county Narok. Ore naake kinang'ie nkonye county orkejuado nore esuju engelare natii dukuya orkioma le UDA tonkauntini naapasha tiatua olosho le Kenya. Eshomo duo taata ibung' entumo olarikoni lilo kioma le UDA erikoo coordinator lenchama naake torkejuado Gilbert Ole Matura. Okulikae arikok oopasha tina county eimaki reteni lina gelare natii dukuya ilo kioma naake le UDA. Kulo omon ibali egira ang'amu olasirani lang' le Paran TV tina county orkejuado.
Njere kiata engelare nikiata tarikini 9 olapa le 12 ele ari. Naa kalo ajoki pookin peipang'u awosh ina kukuo, naa ore ina kukuo naa kewoshi te kila polling station te Kajiado County. Neeku ore temurua pookin nitii tayiolo ajo kiata ina gelare e UDA, nigira apuo agelu ilarikok aiteru polling station, nikigelu kulikae oponu apuo ward, nepuo kulikae constituency, nepuo kulikae county, tenetii ilarikok oyieu nepuo national, neponu sinche aitashe ina olong' peegeluni. Kayieu sii naliki irmaasai pookin nchere ore piiyieu nikigeluni naa mpaka piirejista anaa ormembai le UDA. Neeku kajoki irmaasai pookin amu ena chama taata UDA ninye ejing'ita pooking'ae, ninye ejing'ita loshon pookin, peipang'u airejista metaa irmembai le UDA peetumoki aetu atoosh enkukuo, atooshoki ilarikok ooyieu, peetumoki lelo arikok aetu atorikoi enchama te polling station mpaka te national TV. Neeku kiata ena rishata kijoki irmaasai pookin peipang'u nolong' ontarikini 9 olapa le 12 ele ari emanaa olturrur le UDA ena chama narikito Ruto amu keji ruling party aagelu ilarikok lenye. Aiteng'en kuhusu engelare nagira alotu tolapa le 12 ele ari epuoito irmembai lang' lenchama aagelu ilarikok lenye loonkishu. Kintamoo duo taata kinteng'ena ninche ajo keloito enchama aas engelare peegelu irmembai larikok lenye loonkishu aiterunye polling center naa ninye oshi ewueji abori oleng' nagelunyeki ilarikok ashu naasieki engelare peegelu ilarikok lenye.
Larikok naake lelo lorkioma le UDA te county orkejuado egira naa kang'amaa enkitesheni ang' Paran TV tina luboto olosho. Olaing'urani le Paran TV king'asa aikonji paashukunye terishata nemiado enaa kurkurrot oopaasha kilomon lenkiguran terishata nemiado. Aitoki naa kaitoomon olaing'urani le Paran TV tena rishata enkiguran ibale lomon nchere keyieu kamati naitasheki enkiguran tiatua olosho pee epuo nkauntini apona ropiyiani erubata enkiguran te budget enye tiatua olosho le Kenya pee ilepunyeki enkiguran tialo orrekie orretieki naake irbanot nilepunyeki nkishorot oonkiwanjani owaadi naapasha tiatua olosho le Kenya.
Tuwe na stadium at least kila sub county na pia tuwe na michezo viwanja ndani ya ward. Unake pia ukiangalia hii Governors Cup imebidi Governors Cup ambayo ni michezo ambayo inaanzia kule chini kabisa at ward level. Kuna sehemu nyingine ambazo ni kiwanja kimoja ndio kinatumika peke yake na labda hiyo sub county na ward ine. Lakini unapata out of the other forwards ni sehemu moja tu wanaweza kufanya michezo.
When you look around you will notice that there is not much public land that is available for development of public facilities for sports, but we are encouraging partnerships within other institutions of learning and other institutions that have facilities so that we can work together.
Katika idara hizi ndiko ambako vijana wengi wako na ni jukumu letu kama wale ambao ni waandalizi wa michezo kuhakikisha kwamba kuna michezo ambayo unawafanya kuwa wanakazi wanayofanya ili waepukane na madhara kama vile utumizi wa madawa ya kulevya na maovu mengine yaliyoko kwenye jamii.
Akintabaiki lomon lenkiguran tena rishata Nkoroki Olomon enkolong eduarata ya Aramisi kakitadamu ajo indim anoto kulo omon tenkoitoi ormutandao wa Facebook, Twitter o Instagram at Paran TV na indim sii anoto tenkoitoi e YouTube Paran TV na indim sii anoto tenkoitoi e website parantv.co.ke. Akitadamu ajo aitayiolo naake duarata ajo olaing'urani le Paran TV tadamu ajo noshi olong naake na oleng'oti le Paran kimbirripi naake mbaa nebo naaponita dukuya tayiolo ajo erishata ena nikineneng indamunot kiimaki naake naaponita dukuya tolosho oteseuseu nalulung'a melamari tolasar naake loleng'oti le Paran kilo naake atumore